Bayfront living is all about the lifestyle. For me, it's one of the main reasons that I moved here. Just being able to walk out in your backyard, hop on a boat, and open yourself up to a whole new world of adventure never gets old. One of my favorite things about this property is this backyard. The beautiful thing about this is you have a westward facing view, which is perfect for sunsets. So we're in Mack Bayou right now, which is still very close to the beaches on 38. This is the best water depth you're gonna get in South Walton right here. We're at over 5 feet where I'm at right here, which will allow for a nice big center console. And we also have a lift behind us for a smaller skiff back here.